Well, I guess here goes. Okay, everybody, this is the Skully Fenix AR. My first unboxing. So let's see how this goes. I ordered this on the Black Friday special back in November. I was gone for an overseas deployment for several months. Home for a couple weeks and finally got around to doing this. And I have yet to open it, so this is going to be new to me. I got the case with it. It was a really good deal. Wanted one for a while. When this new company took over, one thing that impressed me was the fact that they did the Make It Right program. That really helped me sell on it. This case is really good. It's got a purge valve, some locks. It's got a place to put padlocks. A place to put your name, it looks like. Good carry handle. Let's see what's inside. Okay, nice heavy foam there. Pin lock, I got that too. Apparently how to do the pin lock. Fog resistant insert. We'll see how that goes. The book on the Fenix AR. I will read that and probably later do a demo wear this and talk about how I like it. Looks like it's got a good case. It's in there tight, really tight. The whole thing comes out, it looks like. Put that back in there. It's really deep. Protects the really nice, expensive helmet. And let's close this up. The bag feels really good. Should protect from getting scratched. Let's see how it looks here. Carbon fiber. It looks really nice. There's that. Let's move this out of the way. Skully on it. There's the viewfinder inside the helmet here. It's got some foam pads. It's got a box. Let's see what's in the box. I'm sure it's a power cable. Looks like it's got a cleaning cloth. Awesome. That will be nice. Basic charger. It looks like a universal adapter. Yes, probably to fit multiple countries. Change that out. I'm sure it'll fit the 220 and other countries. That makes sense. I really like the looks of it so far. There's the camera. DOT certified. It's really light. It's really light, of course, because of the carbon fiber, so that will be nice. Set that to the side. I did get the transition face shield, and it's all packaged in this box. And a protective case. I'll have to put that on. Figure that out. That'll be the next chore. Let's see what this is. Oh, it's just maybe a fog resistant lens. It's just a lens for it. I didn't know that. Okay, well, for pin lock ready Skully Fenix AR visors. Comes with another cleaning cloth. I guess I will have to figure that out and go from there. And nothing else in there. Like I said, later I will have to put this on and do a review. Weather hasn't been the best lately around here, so I haven't really been in a rush to try anything. So one last look. There it is. It's really light. So far, pretty impressed. Hopefully it's worth the money I spent. And like I said, stay tuned, and I will later do a non-professional review. Thank you.